Hey, Rafik, Jason told me you'd be the best person to receive this screencast. But real quick, I just want to shoot over three free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition online and really get that those quality leads that you're trying to get. I got your website pulled up here. The first thing that I actually would go over, well, the three things I am going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. But before we get into that, I want to point out one thing. This right, okay, there it is, right there. This free estimate thing right here, I'd actually move that to the top here, blow that up so people can see that a little bit bigger, and that'll help drive in that quality traffic, getting those, capturing those leads that you're trying to get. Just make that a little bit bigger and bring it to the top here. That'll make a lot of difference for you. But anyway, I want to go over content. Google loves content, especially when it comes down to authoritative content. The person that has the most detailed information at the end of the day ends up winning. Plus, we need enough content in there so that way we can layer in other keywords, words that we're actually trying to rank for. Even the images, what they're saved as, it all matters. AC repair roof Glendale. Okay, you have a kind of a buyer's intent keyword in there. Um, yeah, you could just in all these images, you could switch those out and put keywords. That'll make a huge difference. I'll get into a little bit more in buying intent keywords later on too. But if I just go inside, so yeah, first tip, just beef that website up with the content. I like to be around 1,500 to 2,000 sites, so that way we can layer in other keywords. But if I go inside of heating repair Los Angeles, right inside of Google, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees right here at the very top. It's another form of paid advertisement. A lot of business owners got so sick of these spammy phone calls coming in, so Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out these spam calls. Down at the very bottom, you got these paid advertisements, the traditional ads, which a lot of people have been going away with ads anyway, just because of all those spammy phone calls. You got this little map section right here. This map section's to get the rankings here is really going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just a business directory with their business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So we want to go get those same citations, whether it's the BBB, Yelp, you got Facebook, LinkedIn, CityStar, Local Best. There's thousands of them out there. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations. But we don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath that map section, we got this little organic area. This really comes down to how much content, how much authoritative content that you have on your site, ranking for those keywords that we're trying to rank for, but also what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from another website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. So if we take your URL and stick it inside of a Ahrefs here, Ahrefs is just another paid it's just a way to look up the back end of a website, really. Which is a form of a paid tool, I guess. So it looks like you got your site back in 2013 or so. You kind of had this up and down and kind of plateaued from here back since 2013. So you got 129 referring domains. You got 1.9 9K backlinks. So historically, you had over 16,000 backlinks. Backlinks will come and go, and it also depends on those quality backlinks as well, that's a whole nother topic. But anyway, so you got 179 keywords that you're ranking for. And in total, you're getting about 76 clicks every month to your website. We can go inside to those keywords on what you're actually ranking for. We got air conditioning repair Beverly Hills. Your seventh position on that. There's only 20 clicks. Heating and cool. Okay, so we got a air conditioning repair Los Angeles. So that's a buyer's intent keyword that I was looking for. You got heating repair Los Angeles, 250 clicks. You're 24th position in that, so you're missing all the traffic out of that 250 clicks. HVAC repair Los Angeles, 80 clicks, 21st position, missing the traffic. Los Angeles air conditioning repair, 27th position, missing all the traffic. Anyway, so there's a lot of keywords that we're missing the traffic just because we're not on that first page. This is one of your competitions out there. JW Plumbing, Heating, and Air. If we put them inside of Ahrefs, I just want to do a quick overview. They got 174 referring domains. They got 1.76 thousand backlinks. And like I said, they're not too far ahead of you in backlinking, but they have more high quality backlinks, which is really crucial to get for your business there. And they got 1.2 thousand keywords that they're ranking for, which in ultimate, from the organic traffic that they're getting 754 clicks every month to their site. And if we go to their keywords that they're ranking for, they got their name at the top. Heating repair Los Angeles, there's 250 clicks every month. They're 4th position on that, so they're getting a decent amount of traffic. Plumber Beverly Hills, 7th position. They're getting some traffic out of the 300 clicks every month. HVAC Los Angeles, 100 clicks every month, 2nd position. So really, we could cherry pick these keywords, and as long as we got our backlinking, high quality backlinks, and also the content on our sites is authoric. It's easy to get those some of those clicks. Anyway, if you think I have some tricks up my sleeve that I can help you with your ranking, feel free to give me a call back. My number is 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much. Have a good day.